Here's a pair of BERIBES headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair connect these directly to a Fire TV. Doesn't matter if it's a Toshiba Fire TV, Amazon Fire TV, Insignia Fire TV, and so on. Okay, it's all pretty much the same. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your Fire TV. You can go ahead and click on the home button to go to the home screen. Now you want to navigate to the gear icon all the way to the right hand side. So I'm going to navigate all the way to the right. I'm going to keep on going. Right there, now this down here pops up and we want to go down. And you want to go directly to where it says controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. So let me go ahead and move over here. Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Okay on the remote. From here, we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices. Right there. Okay on the remote. And then we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Go down one, click on OK on the remote. Now searching for devices that are in pairing mode that's near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these in the pairing mode. These are currently off here, and if you see the right ear cup here, you got several buttons here. That top round one right there is the multifunctions, basically a power / Bluetooth button. Okay, so that's the only button we're going to use here. So these are currently off. I'm going to press and hold this button here until the light turns on. You can see like a blue light. Now we'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay. And mine's not blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Maybe it's connected to a different device. Let me hold down this power button again. Let me just keep holding here until it turns blue, red, blue, red. Okay, it just said power off. So it's off now. Now I'm going to press and hold again. I'm going to keep on holding it this time. It said power on. Okay, there we go. I had to hold the power button a little bit longer. Now it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, indicating it's in pairing mode. And voila, what do you know? That model number of these headphones is WH202A. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. Okay, it says connected down there, and I just heard the headphones say connected as well. So there you go. We're connected, ready to go. Now here's the thing. If you guys had issues, you had pairing problems or connection issues, or even if you were connected and the headphones didn't work, you can always reset these. You need to do that. Look in the link below.